Hi there, students. Blithe, an adjective, and its corresponding adverb, blithely. We can use blithe in two different ways. One meaning not worried, casually indifferent, lacking concern, you couldn't care less. He shows a blithe disregard for the rules. And then in the other way, we use blithe meaning carefree and happy, unworried and not stressed out. She has a very blithe attitude to her problems. Oh, things will work out. There's no need to worry about it. Okay, so untroubled, relaxed, happy and cheerful. A blithe spirit, a free spirit who is free from the cares of the world. Or really couldn't care less, heedless, uncaring. He blithely ignored my instructions and did it his own way. Okay, so they're similar but slightly different. One is happy and free, and the other is I couldn't care less. So, he's so rich that he's completely blithe when it comes to spending money. It doesn't affect him, it doesn't worry him at all. He is so blithe about his studies that I fear he will fail his exam. He needs to take his studies more seriously. His blithe attitude is just a mask. In reality, he's very nervous inside. The journalist was very blithe with regard to the facts, and his article was more like fiction. So the journalist didn't care what the facts were. He was just writing what was a good story, what would sell newspapers. She blithely signed the contract without reading it. That's not a good idea. Uncaringly. He blithely assumed that he would pass his exams without studying for them. Well, maybe, but it's a pretty dangerous strategy. His blithe disregard for the rules of the road terrified me. I quite like this blithe disregard. It sounds like a good collocation. He really couldn't care less. He wasn't interested. So what if they're rules? I drive as I want. So what about formality? I think I'd probably give this word blithe 6.5 to 7 in formality. It sounds very literary. Yeah? I don't think you should use this in an informal conversation in the pub. In the pub, a free spirit, without worries. And for the other meaning, he doesn't give a damn, he doesn't care. Okay? So that's what I'd do informally. I think semi-formally or formally, blithe sounds great. Let's see, there's an old English word, blithe, which has the same meaning, and it comes from a Germanic origin. Notice, in the past, blithe used to mean extremely happy. And we have the word bliss that is related to blithe. Yeah, so a long time ago, blithe just meant extremely happy. But nowadays, we have the idea of unworried by the stress of life, happy and carefree. Or, we go even further, blithe, he really doesn't care about it. He's not interested. Okay, so there you go. Blithe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't, you can blithely disregard it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blythe.